Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty, and this is my daughter.
My name is Lane. We're making a cake with my mom and my Grammy and Matt. They're taking a video.
Why are we making a cake, you might ask? Well, that's because we have been sending out little tips and treats information cards with a tip for staging on one side and a treat for you to make on the other. And today we're making
1 pan chocolate cake.
Thanks for watching. For more information on our staging tips and our delicious treats, check out our website, feddertonhomes.com, or keep an eye on your mailbox because there might be a card coming to you.